Rappers and music producers. Why did I look up there? That was so weird. There is no such thing as a missed opportunity. Just get that out your brain right now. Let's talk about it. Rappers and music producers, how many of you have heard someone say, man, you've missed your opportunity? Whether it's you're too old, whether it's you had an opportunity to network with an artist because they came to your city, you had an opportunity to shake hands with one of your favorite rappers.
Let me rap for you right now. Take them. Let me rap for you right now.
Bars right there.
Right here. Come on.
Right there.
Bring it.
Hey, Mr. West, my name is Cam Gray from the 937. Came to annihilate my cape, young heavyweight.
And all you could muster up is, can I get a picture for my gram? And that's what you did. And you got your picture for your gram, he shook your hand and he went about his business. And your friend was like, you stupid. What are you doing, man? That was your chance. You missed your golden opportunity. Here's what I feel about opportunities. Because I myself have dealt with those mental battles where I ask myself, man, did I miss my opportunity early on when I had the opportunity to work with Kendrick Lamar and Ab-Soul before they really became a huge deal? All of TDE actually, before they became a huge deal, I used to ask myself, man, did I miss out on the opportunity? Was I not accessible enough? Was I not trying hard enough? I asked all of these questions and literally it brought me back to the same place. Something that I had an epiphany about, and this is going to go a little bit off topic, just a slight bit, but something I think that is very relevant to this conversation. I remember asking God for certain things and asking him to give me these certain things at a certain time. I wanted it here right now. I thought I needed it. And in my brain, I was like, if I don't get this by a certain age, I have failed. If I do not take advantage of these opportunities, if I don't create opportunities, I have failed. Here's the reality of it. He or she did not give me what it is that I thought that I wanted or needed simply because I wasn't dreaming big enough. If your opportunities are all around you and you are pretty much focusing your opportunities on what other people can do for you, those are not opportunities, those are handouts. If you're focusing on, oh man, this person could have gave me my one shot, you're not putting enough confidence in what you can create. I believe in you. And I genuinely mean that. This is why I spend so much time making this type of content. Curtis, why you give so many of your videos away for free? You giving up all the information. I don't care about that. I'm not in competition with any of you. I'm in competition with myself. And the way that I look at it is this. There is no such thing as a missed opportunity because every situation in which something could have happened or might have happened, it didn't need to happen because I was going to create it regardless, right? What I've learned is that the most influential people that I have come in contact with, the most influential and the most successful people that I have shook hands with, they didn't respect me when I looked like I was in a position of needing them. Matter of fact, their filtration system in their brain, whether it was the way that I was talking or the excitement that I had to be around them, something about them said, no, we need to chill out on this one because he's a little bit too thirsty. And I like to tell you, a lot of you out there are giving off that energy simply because you don't think that you're going to make it unless somebody helps you make it. And I'm not saying that there's not people out there who are not going to assist you along what you're doing. I'm saying be a car, be a system, be a machine all on your own. Chris Rock once said it in a stand-up comedy. He said, if your car breaks down on the side of the road and you're sitting in there and you're checking your phone and you're waiting for AAA, how likely do you think anybody's gonna stop their car and come help you in your situation? I'll wait. All right, Fitbit. That being said, probably nobody's going to come help you. They probably look at you crazy. However, if you get your ass out of that car and you start to push that car from behind and you start to push it with all your might and you start to gain momentum and you start to just push your very hardest, your very damnedest to push along, people will stop. People will jump out of their car. People will come running to help you. Why? Simply because you're helping yourself. So if I can pass you along any kind of information, any kind of advice that has helped me along my way, get out and start pushing your own machine. Get out and start pushing your own car. Start pushing your own career. Stop waiting on somebody else to come do it for you. I'm telling you, when you start to build momentum, when you start to look like a locomotive, like a train that's just going, you're gonna get a lot of people that wanna jump on board. You'll be surprised at the help that comes to you, but you gotta be the one that builds up momentum first. You cannot wait for the opportunities around. There is no such thing as a missed opportunity. Because here's the thing about it. If it was meant for you, it would be for you. If it was meant to happen, it would have happened. You gotta start maneuvering with the confidence of no matter who I meet, whether I meet a J. Cole, whether I meet Lil Yachty, whether I meet a Eminem, no matter who I meet within this industry, I'm going to be okay because I believe in the business that I am building. I believe in my brain. Some people think when you think that way, it's arrogant, that it's stupid, that, oh man, you should still be trying to break bread with these people. By all means, break bread, but don't stop your goals. Don't stop your train so that somebody else that you think is the most important person in the world can now stop your time. Look, you've been given however many years, however many minutes that the man upstairs has decided, or the woman upstairs has decided that you have to live. Don't spend that chasing after the other people, right? You have the same 24 hours, you have the same 7 days a week, the same 365 days a year. Why are you focused on anybody else except for what you gotta build right here, right now? You know, I always make the joke that people talk about, you know, how massively large Eminem's name is. At one point in time, he was just a guy, a rapper that you probably walk up to him like, hey bro, you pretty dope, man. What you go by? Eminem. Like the candy? This is before his name even meant anything. He had to make it mean something. So whatever your name is, start to invest the time into your own business and make it mean something. Don't worry about missed opportunities because they don't exist. In this life, you will not be full of life until you decide to live life to its fullest. Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com.
Please subscribe to the channel below, Curtis King at CurtisKingBeats.com.